Hazrat Shoba narrates that he met Muharib bin Zithar, Chief Justice of Kufa, while he was going to the court on his horse. So I inquired him of this hadith. He thereupon said, I heard Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu say that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoso walks dragging his garment out of pride, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not cast a glance on him on the resurrection day. I asked Muharib, did he mention raper? He said, there is no specifications of raper or shirt. Jabala bin Sohaim, Zayd bin Aslam, and Zayd bin Abdullah from Hazrat ibn Umar, and he has reported likewise from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Layth Nafi'u has reported likewise from Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whoso drags his garment. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5791.